High cholesterol. It's a common problem. Millions of Americans have it. It often shows no symptoms. This makes it a silent threat. High cholesterol means having too much cholesterol in your blood. Cholesterol is a fatty substance. Your body needs some cholesterol, but too much is bad for you. Over time, high cholesterol can lead to serious health problems. It's a major risk factor for heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. Your heart works hard. It pumps blood throughout your body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Cholesterol can build up in your arteries. Arteries carry blood from your heart to the rest of your body. This buildup is called plaque. Plaque narrows your arteries. It makes it harder for blood to flow through. If a blood clot forms, it can block the artery completely. This can cause a heart attack or stroke. Lowering your cholesterol can help prevent this. It's never too late to make changes. You can improve your heart health. You can live a longer, healthier life. You are what you eat. This is especially true for your cholesterol levels. Some foods can raise your cholesterol, others can help lower it. Making smart food choices is key. Saturated and trans fats are the biggest culprits. They are found in many processed foods. Red meat and full-fat dairy products also contain them. Limit these foods as much as possible. Instead, fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are naturally low in cholesterol. They are also rich in fiber. Fiber helps lower your cholesterol. Exercise is good for your heart. It helps lower your cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Moderate intensity means you should be slightly out of breath. You should still be able to carry on a conversation. Brisk walking, swimming, and biking are all good options. Find an activity you enjoy. This will make it easier to stick with it. Make exercise a part of your routine. Your heart will thank you. Section 5. Beyond the Plate and Gym Lifestyle Modifications. In this section, we will explore the various lifestyle changes that can significantly impact your cholesterol levels and overall health. Lowering your cholesterol is about more than just diet and exercise. While these are crucial components, other lifestyle factors play a significant role in managing your cholesterol levels effectively. Other lifestyle factors play a role too. Engaging in regular physical activities, spending quality time with loved ones, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle can all contribute to better cholesterol management. Smoking is one of the worst things you can do for your cholesterol levels. The chemicals in cigarettes can damage your blood vessels, making it easier for cholesterol to build up in the arteries. Smoking lowers your good cholesterol known as HDL, which helps remove bad cholesterol from your bloodstream. It increases your bad cholesterol, or LDL, which can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best steps you can take for your heart health. Maintaining a healthy weight is also crucial. Excess weight, especially around your midsection, can increase your risk of high cholesterol and other cardiovascular diseases. Being overweight or obese increases your risk of high cholesterol. It's important to monitor your weight and take steps to achieve a healthy body mass index, BMI. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference. Incorporating regular physical activity and making healthier food choices can help you shed those extra pounds. Finally, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. When you don't get enough rest, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can lead to increased cholesterol levels and other health issues. Cortisol can raise your cholesterol levels, making it harder to manage your heart health. Reducing stress and ensuring adequate sleep can help keep your cortisol levels in check. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment can improve your sleep quality and overall health. Section 6. The Power of Fiber. Your secret weapon for rapid results. Fiber is often overlooked, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to improving your health quickly and effectively. Want to see a quick improvement in your cholesterol levels? Boost your fiber intake. Studies have shown that increasing your fiber intake can lead to significant reductions in cholesterol levels in just a few weeks. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, acts like a sponge in your digestive system. It absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance that helps to slow down digestion and the absorption of nutrients. It binds to cholesterol and prevents it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. The best part? This process not only helps to lower your cholesterol levels, but also keeps you feeling full longer, aiding in weight management. Increasing your fiber intake is easy and delicious. You don't have to make drastic changes to your diet. Small, simple adjustments can make a big difference. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and flax seeds. This combination not only tastes great, but also packs a powerful fiber punch to kickstart your day. Snack on fruits, vegetables, and a handful of nuts. These snacks are not only convenient, but also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For lunch and dinner, incorporate more beans, lentils, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes, from salads to soups to main courses. By making fiber your new best friend, you'll be amazed at how quickly it can positively impact your cholesterol levels. Not only will you see improvements in your health, but you'll also feel more energized and satisfied throughout the day. So, start incorporating more fiber into your diet today and experience the benefits for yourself. Section 7. Choosing healthy fats, navigating the lipid landscape. Not all fats are created equal. While saturated and trans fats can wreak havoc on your cholesterol levels, unsaturated fats can actually be beneficial. Monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds can help lower your LDL bad cholesterol and raise your HDL good cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats such as omega-3 fatty acids also offer heart-healthy benefits. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna into your diet twice a week. Sprinkle flax seeds or chia seeds onto your salads or yogurt. By making smart fat choices, you can nourish your body and support healthy cholesterol levels. Section 8. Herbs and spices, nature's cholesterol busters. Did you know that some herbs and spices can pack a powerful punch against high cholesterol? Garlic, known for its pungent flavor, has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with cholesterol-lowering properties. Ginger, another culinary staple, can help reduce total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. Incorporate these flavorful additions into your meals to enhance both the taste and your heart health. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, add ginger to your stir-fries, or roast vegetables with garlic for a delicious and heart-healthy boost. Section 9. Stress management. Keeping your heart happy. Believe it or not, stress can take a toll on your heart health, including your cholesterol levels. When you're chronically stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can increase cholesterol production. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. By prioritizing stress management, you'll not only be supporting your overall well-being, but also contributing to a healthier heart. Section 10. The importance of regular checkups. Monitoring your progress. Lowering your cholesterol is a journey, and it's essential to monitor your progress along the way. Schedule regular checkups with your doctor to have your cholesterol levels checked. This will help you track your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle habits. Your doctor can also provide personalized guidance and support throughout your journey to a healthier heart. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed about your health is crucial. By working together, you can make informed decisions to optimize your heart health and lower your cholesterol effectively. Section 11. Take charge of your health. A journey to a healthier heart. Embarking on this journey is a commitment to yourself, a promise to nurture and care for your heart. Lowering your cholesterol is a journey. It takes time, but it's worth it. Each day, each moment is an opportunity to make a positive change. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by choosing healthier options, like adding more vegetables to your meals or swapping out that burger for a fresh, crisp salad. Start by incorporating one or two of the tips we've discussed. Maybe try a new healthy recipe or prepare a balanced meal. These small steps are the building blocks of a healthier lifestyle. Gradually, add more changes over time. As you become more comfortable, introduce more vegetables into your diet, and slowly increase your exercise routine. Consistency is key. Celebrate your successes along the way. Whether it's reaching a fitness milestone or simply feeling better, take the time to acknowledge your progress. Share your journey with friends and family, and let them celebrate with you. Don't get discouraged if you have setbacks. Everyone faces challenges, but it's important to stay focused on your goals. If you stumble, get back on track and keep moving forward. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Whether it's a walk in the park or a moment of meditation, each action contributes to your overall well-being. Remember, you are in control of your health. By making informed choices at the grocery store and regularly checking your cholesterol levels with your doctor, you can stay on top of your health. By making conscious choices and adopting heart-healthy habits, you can lower your cholesterol, improve your heart health, and live a longer, more fulfilling life. Enjoy the journey and embrace the positive changes you are making for yourself and your loved ones.